what go-to-market initiatives, right, are providing the biggest return on investment when it comes to the Surface lineup? What do you see from your partners, from the ecosystem? What's working?
Absolutely. So, traditionally, I would say software, hardware, and services at our partners were sitting kind of on three different islands. They were very disparate. They were not talking to one another. They weren't fishing in each other's ponds, which seems a little bit, obvious that should be happening. If you're selling a big services sale, hopefully you're the one that sold the software that's being implemented or the hardware that's being implemented. But we weren't seeing that coming together until about the last, I would say, 18 months or so. We've been really pushing with our partners to help them to bring together those three worlds. And in doing so, what that does is it increases our ability to create programs for our partners to take advantage of with their customers. And I would say, a really great one right now is our Surface Plus offering. That Surface Plus offering actually rewards customers who buy Surface and have already bought in or are planning to also buy into the M365 stack. And you can see anywhere from a $20 discount in rebate form for your customer per device they buy, all the way on up to $50. And so these are really great programs, just one example of the things that we're running. We also have a really great program right now, and it's limited, but we are trying to get the word out on our Surface Laptop Go. And we have a seed program right now for customers where we can get your customer a free device if you're reaching out to the Microsoft team. And we have an entire team of specialists. And just so folks are really aware of how Microsoft sells, you have your account team units, but you also have what we call specialty team units. And we have a modern workplace role and we have a Surface role. And there are several other roles that go along with that as well, of course, but those two roles are the ones we primarily work with. And we have a number of programs, everything from what I just mentioned with Surface Plus, the seed program that we're offering on the Laptop Go product. And then, of course, we even have, what we call end customer investment funds, or ESIF. And those programs are available to help you with everything from pre-sales training all the way through to, kind of more of a white glove delivery service, or for that customer who's dipping in for the first time to do an autopilot and Intune integration of some sort. So all of that is available, and really coming together with your Microsoft field person can help you to maximize what programs are on the list and bring that value to your customer, and at the same time help you to cement your relationship with that customer as well.